20 things to pay attention to when decluttering your home. Are you feeling overwhelmed by the clutter in your home? Decluttering can seem impossible, but it doesn't have to be. By focusing on a few key areas and following a simple process, you can quickly declutter your home and create a more organized, functional space. Welcome to Jensen's DIY. In this video, we will discuss 20 things to pay attention to when decluttering your home. 1. Identify the areas that need decluttering. Start by looking around your home and identifying the most cluttered spaces. It might include your closet, your kitchen, or your garage. Once you've identified the problem areas, you can first focus on decluttering those spaces. 2. Sort your belongings into 3 piles: keep, sell or donate, and throw away. Start by going through each room and sorting your belongings into these 3 piles. The keep pile should contain items that you use regularly and that bring you joy. It would help if you consisted of things that you no longer need but are still in good condition in the sell or donate stack, so they could be sold or donated to someone who needs them. The throwaway pile should include broken, worn out, or no longer valuable items. 3. Take inventory of what you want to keep. Once you've sorted your belongings into 3 piles, look closely at the items you've decided to keep. Are there any items you don't use? If so, consider getting rid of them. Also, please take note of the things you genuinely want to keep and ensure they have a designated place in your home, which will help you maintain a decluttered look. 4. Be decisive about what you no longer need or use. Letting go of items that you may have sentimental attachments to or things that you may have spent a lot of money on is one of the most challenging aspects of decluttering. But when it comes to decluttering, it's essential to be honest with yourself about what you truly need and use in your home. If you last used an item in the past 6 months ago, or if it's something you don't truly love, it's time to let it go. 5. Utilize storage containers for small items. Smaller items like jewelry, craft, or office supplies can be challenging to organize and store. To keep these items from cluttering, invest in a few storage containers like drawer organizers, shoeboxes, or small plastic bins. These containers will help keep small things in order and easy to find. 6. Create a cleaning schedule to help with maintenance. Decluttering your home is only half of the battle. The key to keeping it organized is maintaining it regularly. By creating a cleaning schedule, you can ensure that your home stays tidy and clutter-free. This schedule should include regular tasks such as dusting, vacuuming, and wiping down surfaces, as well as weekly or monthly tasks such as deep cleaning, laundry, and organizing. 7. Clear out clutter from all surfaces in high-traffic areas regularly. Clutter often accumulates on kitchen counters, coffee tables, and desks. By clearing these surfaces regularly, you can prevent chaos from becoming overwhelming. Additionally, make sure to keep high-traffic areas like hallways, entryways, and staircases free from clutter to ensure easy movement. 8. Discard unused toiletries and beauty products in bulk together. Many of us have a habit of collecting and hoarding toiletries and beauty products that we no longer use. To declutter these items, go through your bathroom and discard any expired, nearly empty products that you last used in the past 6 months. 9. Donate unwanted clothing and shoes rather than throwing them away. We tend to accumulate and eventually need to get rid of clothing and shoes, some of the most common items. Instead of throwing away clothes and shoes you no longer wear, consider donating them to a local charity or thrift store. Not only will you be decluttering your home, but you'll also be helping those in need. 10. Give books to friends or librarians rather than letting them take up space in your home. Many of us have a collection of books we no longer read, but we may need help getting rid of them. Instead of letting them take up space in your home, consider giving them to friends or donating them to your local library. 11. Eliminate duplicate kitchen appliances and gadgets you don't frequently use by removing them. The kitchen is one of the most cluttered areas of the house, and it's easy to accumulate multiple kitchen appliances and gadgets that we rarely or never use. Go through your kitchen and eliminate any duplicates of devices you don't use regularly. 12. Store seasonal items out of sight until necessary. Seasonal items like holiday decorations, summer sporting equipment, or winter clothing can take up a lot of space in your home. To free up space, store these items out of sight in a storage area, such as a closet, attic, or basement. 13. Consider downsizing furniture if it needs to take up more space. Large furniture items like a couch, bed, or dining table can take up a lot of space in a room. If you have furniture that takes up too much space and makes the room feel cramped, consider downsizing to a smaller piece or opting for multifunctional furniture. 14. Have an area dedicated to mail and bills so they can be manageable. Mail and bills can quickly pile up and create clutter if not promptly addressed. By having a designated area for mail and accounts, you can easily keep track of essential documents and avoid overwhelming clutter. 15. Avoid hoarding just-in-case items and replace them with versatile multi-purpose pieces. It's easy to accumulate things we might need in the future but never use. Instead of hoarding these just-in-case items, consider replacing them with versatile, multi-purpose pieces that serve multiple functions. For example, a storage ottoman can store blankets and books as a coffee table or extra seating. 16. Stop purchasing items just because they're cheap or on sale. One of the main reasons why people accumulate clutter is because they buy things they don't need, just because they're cheap or on sale. It's essential to be mindful of what you're buying and only purchase items that you truly need or will use to avoid this. 17. Simplify collections by categorizing by type and only keep the best examples of each category. Organize and curate groups properly to make them manageable. Consider organizing them by type and retaining the best examples of each class. It will declutter your home and make your collections more visually appealing. 18. Let go of memorabilia that has lost its sentimental value. We often hold on to sentimental items, but sometimes these items lose their significance over time. To declutter these items, consider letting go of memorabilia that has lost its sentimental value. You should include old cards, notes, or trinkets that you no longer have any emotional attachment to in this category. 19. Keep a donation box handy for quick removal of objects. One of the best ways to declutter your home is to have a handy donation box or bag to remove items you no longer need or use immediately. This way, when you come across a thing you no longer need, you can easily and quickly add it to the donation box and be on your way. Having a designated donation box will also make it easier to keep track of items that you want to donate and will make donating them more efficient. 20. Set aside time for regular decluttering sessions. Decluttering your home is not a one-time task. It's a process that requires regular maintenance. To ensure your home stays clutter-free, set aside time for regular decluttering sessions. Schedule a time for decluttering, whether once a week, once a month, or whatever works best for you. By regularly decluttering your home, you can keep on top of the clutter before it becomes overwhelming. And that's all for now. Remember, decluttering is a process that takes time to get done, but the result is worth it. It's essential to be patient with yourself and to take it one step at a time. Start today, and you'll be on your way to a clutter-free home in no time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next videos.